Don't pay me enough. Fuck this job.
The sheriff's office. Turn off the vehicle and step out. Do it now.
Get out.
Get out of your cars. Be safe. Get out of the bulldozer, dude. Do it now. If you attempt to ram any of us or vehicles and put us in harm, we will shoot. Turn off the bulldozer. Get out. Place your hands in the air. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Do not face me. Do it now. Do not face me. Walk backwards. Walk. 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 Stop. Get down on your knees. Keep your hands up in the air. Do not face me. Do it now.
I'll go in.
Cross. Alright, be advised. One suspect detained. We're gonna be code 4 here.
Buddy, what is going on?
A piece of shit boss didn't pay me for my 2 weeks of work.
County, can you attempt to locate the manager of this site or the foreman?
I saw him, bitch. I told him I was gonna do this too if he didn't give me my money. A hard-working man, and I'm not doing this shit for free.
All right, bud, sit tight.
All right, so I'm guessing that truck is totaled, which is probably this one right here, the black one. So
Yeah.
it's like a $50,000 truck, I would guess. And then this is going to be damaged, which is going to be.
What's going on today, man?
Piece of shit boss didn't pay me.
Truck over
I've been
there.
working for him for
Guess
years, and he didn't pay me my 2-week salary.
So
I
that's going
mean,
to be.
I could understand the
I think
frustration,
it's a
man, but
felony.
taking a bulldozer to
And then
people's
Oh, man, I
cars,
need that money, man.
It's going to be
you can sue him for that money.
either conversion.
Oh, he's done this to me
or,
before,
Now-
man.
Why didn't you sue him before?
He said he was good for it, and then he paid me back a month later.
But
I told him I'm not gonna handle that shit again. And if he was gonna
I
do
mean,
that to me
I
again, I was gonna fuck up his whole yard. And I did.
you want to hand that to me and then.
I
Yeah.
understand
I'll
that,
take
but
Oh yeah, sure.
now
Um,
instead of
yeah, I
suing
know,
him
full
and
belt
getting
for
that
me.
money that you need, now you're going to be losing money. You're going to be fined for this.
I don't care. It was worth it. It was worth every penny. That piece of shit.
Oh shoot, wrong thing. All right. Just make sure you undrag him first. Hey, could I get you to see if you can locate the foreman? And just talk to him, see what he wants to do about. First off, I'm curious about trespassing. How he got a hold of the, thing. Was he fired? Did he have permission to be in the bulldozer? That kind of thing. But he's
Yeah.
definitely going to be charged. So.
Got you.
You got him? Sweet. All right, Ian. If I could get you just to take pictures of the vehicles and then get some county tow units out here, and we should be good.
Yeah, no worries.
Thanks, Metro. I appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, not a smart move, dude. If I'm not mistaken, you're facing a felony right now for the criminal mischief.
Oh, man, it was worth it. I don't even care. He pissed me off so fucking bad today, man. I could have killed him. How would you feel if you didn't get your pay?
I would feel shitty, but there's also a lot of different ways to go about getting your pay. First off, human resources through the department. Second off, if they still refused, you could have filed a civil lawsuit and gotten even more money off of it. But now, I guarantee you, they garnish those wages. The judge garnishes those wages to replace all the property. And then on top of that, you're going to still owe a shit ton of money. And then on top of that, you're going to be faced with a felony, which means lawyer fees, jail fees. So at the end of it, you come out way, way, way in the hole. And good luck ever getting a job again good luck ever getting a job, to be honest with you, with that sitting on your record. So you really just screwed yourself out of not only money, but future money and any hope of anything else. It's all right. Thanks, buddy. What was your favorite number?
14.
Did you see the skybox?